Kim and I met nearly 30 years ago when I was a law school student and she was already a practicing attorney. And we actually met in two different ways. Number one, I met her when I was an intern for the Honorable Joseph A. Greenaway, and she was his law clerk already. And then number two, I met her socially when I was also a law student in this book club that we had called the Contemporary Ladies Book Club. And I'm happy to say that the women who were a part of that book club then are still very close.
Kim and I met on my first day of law school. Kim was a year ahead of me in law school and was, at that time, one of the leaders in the Association of Black Law Students and also one of the mentors for incoming first-year lawyers. There was a program at Rutgers called the Minority Student Program, and Kim was one of the upperclassmen assigned to helping break in or bring along the first years.
I met Kim a long time ago when I was a paralegal at Lucent Technologies, and she was an M&A lawyer. Kim was confident, driven, clear, action-steered, and I looked up to her.
Cecil Banks was absolutely a trailblazer in the practice of law in New Jersey. Was one of the first African Americans to be a partner at a prominent New Jersey firm at Sills Cummins. So I think Kim obviously had large shoes to fill and has obviously done it and filled those shoes very well. But she definitely had an outstanding role model in her father as to how to approach the law, how to engage with clients, and how to kind of just be a good lawyer, a good counselor.
One of the amazing things about Kim is that she actually has time not only to do her job and to do her job really well, but that she also spends a lot of time doing work for the community. And by community, I mean the Rutgers community itself, as well as the broader community. She does work for CASA. She volunteers with Jack and Jill. She does work with the Links. She does work with organizations left, right, and center, and they all come back to the notion of servant leadership.
Kim decided early on that she would like to pursue a role as general counsel, and as a result, made some early career decisions to leave the everyday grind of private practice in a law firm and joined Lucent as an in-house counsel. A number of jobs later, she found herself at Novartis as an assistant general counsel, and then finally general counsel for Novartis of the Americas. There, picked up some substantial exposure to healthcare, and which has propelled her today to be general counsel of West Pharmaceutical.
She is incredibly thoughtful about the people around her and the experience that they are having. She ensures that they are learning, and she is absolutely driven to move big deals and move them well, so that her organization wins, her people win, and certainly her customers win as well.
She was one of my key mentors. She was someone that I looked up to in terms of experience, confidence, her knowledge, her subject command of the area that she had, how our business partners listened to her, how she problem solved, her creativity, and I think most importantly, her support of women and minorities.
Kim's family is my family. We have grown together over the years. We've shared houses on vacation. Again, she brings her whole self to the equation. Her ability to support her family, her children, her parents, her husband is admirable.
Kim and I continue to be friends up until today, through every job, every stage of our lives, every single personal issue. We've always had each other's back. She's an incredible source of inspiration, strength. I love her to bits, and I cannot think of anyone more deserving of this honor that Rutgers is conferring than Kimberly.
I'm excited to tell you that this is a great award, and she's fully deserving of the award, and Rutgers has a star, and we're all very happy and very lucky to have her in our lives.
I'm overjoyed that Rutgers has chosen to celebrate Kim for all that she's done for our community as Rutgers Law School alums, for society as a whole, professionally, for her family, for her friends, She is really one of the best people on the planet and has made positive impacts and contributions to so many of us in small ways as well as in big ones. They really couldn't have picked somebody better. And I'm honored to be her friend, her sister friend, a professional colleague, a fellow attorney, and just happy to be a fellow Rutgers Law School alum. Go RU. Go Kim. Congratulations.